In front of me is Honor 600 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Start by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Phone at the bottom. Now click on device name on the left and type in whatever you want to. Like Sunny. Once you finish, select OK and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, name of my Honor has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!